Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today you can see on the board, today I am going to solve a reasoning questions. This type questions is very important for different competitive exam. For I guess those who are preparing for the competitive exam, for them this video is going to be very useful. So let's have a look how to solve it. So if this type of question is coming, so this is some alphabet is there, is to this alphabets are there, is as this alphabet here, and this is the missing alphabets, right? So you have to find this missing alphabet. So this is a multiple choice question since it is coming in different competitive exams. These are the options which is given to you. From these options you have to find out the correct answer. So this is the questions. So you have to analyze the questions. Analyze the question is very important. So here I'll find out a logic or trick so that we can easily find out the correct answer, right? So if the question is type this pattern, then I will show you one easy trick. By applying this trick, you can easily find out the correct answer. The trick is that you start writing alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, up to M, right? Serially. Okay, then N you have to start from here. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So in that way you have to write. Now you have check. You have to check. Here A is coincide with G. So that's why A is Z. Then F is U. So F is U. So in that way you check this one. B is coincide with Y. B is coincide with Y, right? So your this first alphabet will be Y. Then G and T. So instead of G, I'll write T. Then L. Check L and O. So instead of L, I write O. Then Q. Check Q. Where is Q? Is Q? It's just match with J. So this alphabet, there should be a 4 alphabet. Alphabet should be Y, T, O, Z. Check whether Y, T, O, Z is there or not. Y, T, O, J. So it is there. So option C is the correct answer. So if you follow this technique, easily you can find out the answer of this type of questions. If it is coming in the competitive exam, without any hesitations, write A to M first, then start from N to Z and coincide with the alphabet, you will get easily get the answer. I hope it's clear to everyone, but still if you have any doubt or any query or any new thing you wanted to know, please write in my comment box. Definitely I'll be there to help you. Thank you for watching.